Hello and welcome to a set of Excel tutorials that will hopefully help you get to know Excel better and get you ready for the exam. This video will be quite short and to the point so that you can review it and other videos at any time. You will notice that there is a yellow ring around the mouse pointer. This is just there to help you see the mouse pointer easily. Feel free to pause the video at any time you wish to practice, and you can watch the videos as many times as you wish. First off, we'll start off by selecting cells and the various methods of doing it. To select a column, you can just click on the letter and it selects the whole column like so. And for the rows, exactly the same, just click on the number and again it will select the whole row. To select multiple columns, you can either hold the left mouse button down and drag so you get what you want, or you can hold the shift key down and click where you want to select it to and it will jump to the selection. Also, you can do this with rows, so left mouse button and drag, or shift and select the one you want to go to. There you go. Also, you can select individual columns by holding the control key down. So hold control and select the ones. And the same with shift, hold control and select the rows. There you go. So that's a brief introduction to selecting cells. So we've just finished that one. Right, and we've just finished selecting rows and columns. Now we can move on to row height and column width. So we'll start with the row height. You can change the row height in various ways. One way is to, if you select the row, right click and do row height. Then you can type in a number. So for example, we type in 15. It will change to what you typed in. You can also do this on a selection of rows. So if you left click and choose a selection, right click again, doesn't matter where, do row height again, change it, say this time to 25, and all the ones selected will then change to the height of 25. Also, another trick is you can also do it on individually selected cells. So if you hold control down, select some individual cells or rows, right click anywhere, doesn't matter where, row height, and let's put 30 in. And as you can see, all the ones selected have now changed to the height of 30. If we just change this one a bit, as you can see here where it says change in row height, you can't see it properly because the row isn't high enough. So if you go to there, move down so it changes the icon, and then just double click, it will auto fit the text to the row, which is quite useful. We can also do all of what we've just done but with columns. So if you can select a column, right click, column width, change the column to 22 for example, and it will change to 22. You can do it on a selection, make a selection, right click, column width again, I don't know, 25 this time, they will all change to 25. Or again, you can use the control to make a random selection of columns, right click on one of the selections and change to, this time we do 10, and then they will all make it smaller to 10. Also, if you can see here where it says auto fit cells and accounting standards, you can see that the actual column is not wide enough to fit all the text in. So if you select the column, move to the edge and double click, and it will auto fit all the text into the column, which is quite useful. One last thing on this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of all these grid lines. It's very easy. If you go to page layout, so click on the page layout, go to under sheet options where it says grid lines and just unclick the checkbox, and voila, all the check lines, so grid lines will disappear. To get them back, just click the checkbox again and they come back. Well, I hope this has been useful, so I hope you will all join me in the next video. Bye for now.